Here I have Samsung Galaxy Tab Active2, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So firstly, we have to remove this cover, then we have to remove back cover from our device. You have the hatch here, and you can hatch it with your finger nail here, and here you have the battery, so you can eject it like this. So here it is, our Samsung battery, and here is our tablet. So let's put it back in, back cover back on, and turn back our device. Turn our device back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.